Welcome back to my channel, KS Beauty here. For today's video, I'm going to unbox another package. Yeah, this is kind of like pretty huge package. Ayan, mahilig tayo sa mga huge package. Okay, so ano ba tong package na to? Okay. Blackwidow Quartz Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. Wow, this is from Razer. Okay, so wala po ako sponsor. Nagano to sa akin. So, nakabudol tayo. Okay, so ano pa hinihintay natin? Buksan na natin! Alright guys, so i-open na natin to. Wait. Alright. At gamit ko pa rin itong scissors na delikado. Okay, let's do this. Wow. Oh my gosh. This is it. Blackwidow version 3. Blackwidow Quartz Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. And green switch. It has, you know, yung maingay and very clicky. It has a green switch and okay. Whoa. So, nakasealed pa siya from here. Tanggalin na natin to. Okay. Wow. Ang ganda. Grabe. Oh my gosh. Wow. I can't even. Ang ganda naman. Okay. So, kung mara guys, kayo yung nag-unbox nito. Okay, so what is this? The usual. Meron silang mga booklet and letter from the CEO. Ala, ang bigat. Mabigat pala talaga to. Okay. Ooh, ito yung pinaka niya. Oh, ang ganda na pagka-pink. It's really pang maarte. Umaarting babae. Wow. Then, there you go. So, ito yung cable wire na pink din na parang tela. Okay, so ganito pala yun. Ang ingay! Wow, legit yung ingay niya. Pero alam niyo yung ASMR na ingay. Parang ganon. Parang feeling ko, gagaling ako nito sa gaming na. Ang galing, parang siyang typewriter. Ooh! And has something like this and may switch. So, ayan guys. You can see, it's pretty amazing, right? Okay, so try na natin. Wow, so, ayan, kung makikita nyo rin, nakaangat talaga yung kanyang mga cups. So, I think this one is interchangeable. Pwede nyo palitan yung kanyang keycaps. But, I don't know kung may pang-tanggal ng keycaps dito. Grabe, sobrang ASMR. So, ito try ko na to sa aking gaming setup. Papakita ko naman sa inyo. Hi guys! So, ito na siya. Ayan, assemble ko na siya. There you go. Blackwidow. And also, ito na. Ayan. So, meron akong din-download dito na Razer Synapse. So, this is an application na ginagamit. I actually have also this Razer Basilic that I got before as my gift to myself. This one. So, Razer Basilic. So, yan. Ginagamit ko siya for quite some time. Pero, ito, in-explore ko pa siya. So, may iba't ibang effect. So, this one is the audiometer effect. So, ganyan siya. Medyo maliwanag lang dito, kaya hindi lang siya gano'n makita. And the fire effect. So, ayan. Yung fire effect. Also, the reactive effect. So, ayan. Ganyan siya. So, kung saan mo lang siya i-click, doon na siya kakaroon ng ilaw, and then starlight. Wow. So, ayan. Parang may mga parang siyang stars na Then static. Static is, ayan, parang natural lang. Hindi iba-iba. Wave. Wow, ito maganda yung wave. RGB talaga siya. So pretty. And wheel. So, yun yung wheel. So, parang umiikot talaga siya. Okay. So, let's see kung ano pa yung mga use niyan. So, what is this for? And what is this for? So, I just take a look at the... Okay. So, F, which is yun. Yan daw ay volume controller. So, that's a volume controller. And then yung E, it's a media control button. And then, we also have the macro. So, sa mga gamer dyan, alam niyo yung macro, gaming mode key. Sobrang dami niyang use and function that you can actually maximize kung for gaming talaga. Try to play some music in Spotify. So, there. Ayan, nag-stop yung music. And then, ayan, play music. And then, if you want the next track, so, twice mo lang daw siya pindutin. Ayan, so, nag-impata siya sa next track. And then, press to go back to the previous track. Ayan, so, ayan, lumipat na ulit siya sa yung kaninang music. So, that's it, basically. So, it's really pretty, and so, ito, hindi siya nakakabit. Wala siyang something na kinakabitan. Ilalagay mo lang siya dyan. So, anytime, if hindi mo feel to, pwede mong tanggalin. And, so, proceed naman tayo sa clickiness niya, kung gaano siya ka-clicky. Okay. Alright, guys, so, test natin kung gaano siya ka-clicky. So, I'm gonna type the quick brown fox jump over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jump over the lazy dog. So, sobrang diin pa nung pag-press ko. So, try natin yung parang halimbawa lazy din tayo mag-type. So, ayan. Ganyan lang. Parang normal na ganito lang ako mag-type talaga. What I really like about this is magkakahiwalay talaga yung keys. Hindi siya yung like yung compact, yung dikit-dikit. So, technically, alam mo kung ano yung pinrest mo, like A, S, D, F. So, yun yung mga pinrest mo. But, super lakas talaga niya because it's green switch. So, you know when it's green switch, yun yung pinakamaingay nila. Tactile and clicky. Yeah, it's the most tactile and clicky. So, technically, if you're streaming and at the same time, yung mic mo malapit sa'yo, sure na sure ako na maririnig yan. Especially kapag you're on the move. Like, super gigil ka talaga. Okay, so... may expert ko pa yung ibang mga functions nito like the macro and others. So, marami pa tayong dapat alamin dito. But, yeah, this one is the version 3 of the Razer thing. Razer Blackwidow version 3. Release lang to, kailan lang? I think last month. So, release nila to. And, yep. Marami pa siyang ibang function. I'll update you guys kung ano yung mga iba kong nagagawa dito sa keyboard. Okay guys, so let me know what you think about this product. And also guys, if you're curious about the third-party courier that we use, this one is from my shopping box. So, ayan, third-party courier po yan. And if you wanna know more about that, please click this video above. So, nandyan po kung paano mag-order dyan. Actually, that is a hassle-free courier that you can use if you're gonna order from the US store. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my video and catch me on my Facebook Gaming Live 11 PM to 2 AM. So there, KARISHA'S Game Room. And nag-stream ako ng Kabal Online PH and other games. So I'll see you guys there. Bye!